Hi. I had a lot of subscribers ask me to set up my Patreon account a couple of years ago, and they kept asking me about it, and I didn't have one, but I finally set one up. I think it was back early last year, 2017, but I haven't promoted it. It's just been kind of sitting there, and a couple of you guys have donated, and it's certainly very much appreciated. I went ahead and made this video up to explain to you why I needed money. It's for my medications. As you know, I had a heart attack in 2016 and another one earlier this year, and that medications to keep me going is expensive. It's about $375 a month, plus the pulmonary, the lung pills that sometimes I have to take. I use sprays, and got a couple of tablets I take whenever I start having trouble breathing. So just for my medical reasons, and I appreciate everybody that supported me and donated when I had my heart attack and helped me get through that in Manila. My goodness, I couldn't have made it without all of you. And we sure appreciate it. Thank you very much.